seen, well, first of all, this is Dwayne, and I'm back. I'm not doing an instructional tutorial or anything about cooking, but I just happened to be cooking something tonight. And if you've seen the first part of the video, you know that it is chicken backs and chicken wings. The chicken wings were so little, I don't know if they're parakeet wings or finch wings or what. But y'all already showed me washing them. So what I'm gonna do now, I have my flour here that I'm going to batter them, and then once I get them battered, I'm going to fry them. Um, Normally I don't season my flour, but tonight I just decided to put a little bit of seasoned salt and cracked black pepper in it to see how that's going to turn out. So here, if you've never seen one, you have a chicken back, and then a little teeny chicken wing. So I'm gonna start flouring these up. I normally don't leave the little butt on it, but I'm gonna leave the butt on it this time just to see how that works out. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these battered up, floured up, and then once I get ready to drop them in the grease, I'll be back.